In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram to TikTok. So if you want to add Instagram in a link to your TikTok bio, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our TikTok. So let's go ahead and go to our TikTok. Make sure that we are logged into the right account. Then we're going to click on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then from here, we're going to click on edit profile. And once you do that, you see in here that you have links. So let's go ahead and click on links. And in order to add our Instagram, we're going to click on Instagram and then add. So let's go ahead and do that. And this will redirect you to Instagram. So right now you just need to log in with the account that you want to link to your TikTok. So I'm just going to fill in my details and then I'm going to click on log in. And after you've logged in with your Instagram, you will see this button to link your Instagram to your TikTok. Then you just need to click on yes or something that's saying allow. And once you do that, you will automatically have your Instagram link in your bio. So when you go back and watch your profile, then you will see an Instagram button popping up. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.